how exciting, the party season is here. So today we're going to be doing a look that is a full, very quite dramatic sort of looking makeup, great for going out in, that doesn't have heavy foundation, so it won't set into any lines or just feel too heavy in the summer. For today's look, we're going to start off with the eyes. Now I've just put a little bit of concealer down. This is actually going to help the eyeshadow have something to stick to. I just do a really light veil and then I'll grab my eyeshadow and just blot that on with my fingers and just applying a little bit on that brow bone as well too. So now I've done some eyeliner. Now, the best part about doing it first is that you can actually wipe away any mess and it just keeps that area really clean. So now we're going to go ahead and just pop a bit of concealer underneath the eyes and get that really freshened up. Just a light little bit, just for that bit of coverage. And then I've gone and applied my trio. So I've got the Liquid Sunshine, Golden Glow and the Pearl Glow. That's just going to give a really healthy base to the face without having that heavy coverage. Now this one is optional. This is just a light bit of powder. This is a really beautiful illuminating powder that just gives a really beautiful shimmer to the face if that is something that you're after. Then I'm just doing my brows and just a little bit of blush for a bit of color. And if you feel like you want to as well, you can add a bit of bronzer just underneath the cheekbone there, just to give the face a little bit of sculpting. And I also always put a little bit on my nose as well too. Of course, a little bit of our lip glow. Today I am wearing our watermelon and mascara to finish the look off with. And basically that's it. I'm just really emphasizing the cheeks, the lips, the eyes, and keeping the foundation simple.